National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Elberton, or 4 miles southwest of Middleton, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elberton, Lonesville, Russell State Park, Nancy Hart State Park, Middleton, Lake Russell, Fort Sonia, Ruckersville, Rock Branch and Sweet City. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Albert, Georgia, and Abbeville, South Carolina. The National Weather Service